Hi, and welcome to Simple Books with Sheridan. In this video, we're going to cover bookkeeping for beginners in Australia and where to start if you're running a small business. Before we begin, please note that this video is for general information only. It doesn't take into account your personal or business circumstances and shouldn't be relied on as financial, tax, or accounting advice. If you're unsure how bookkeeping applies to your situation, it's always best to speak with a qualified professional. If you're feeling overwhelmed by bookkeeping or unsure what you're supposed to be doing, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain what bookkeeping actually is, why it matters, and what you need to get started, without jargon or complicated accounting language. So, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is the process of recording your business income and expenses. It's how you keep track of what money is coming in, what's going out, and where your business stands financially. It's not just something you do at tax time, it's an ongoing part of running a business. Good bookkeeping helps you understand whether your business is actually making money. It also helps you meet your tax and BAS obligations, prepare accurate financial reports, and avoid last-minute stress. When your books are up to date, you're in control of your business finances. So, who needs to do bookkeeping? If you run a business, you need to do bookkeeping, no matter how small it is. This includes sole traders, companies, side hustles, and online businesses. Even if you only have a few transactions, keeping proper records is still essential. To get started with bookkeeping, you don't need anything fancy. At a minimum, you should have a separate business bank account, a way to record your income and expenses, and a system for keeping your invoices and receipts. If you're registered for GST, you'll also need to track your GST carefully. Income is the money your business earns from sales or services. Expenses are the costs you incur to run your business, such as supplies, rent, or software. One of the most important rules in bookkeeping is keeping personal and business spending separate. A common beginner mistake is thinking that cash in the bank equals profit. Profit is what's left after all business expenses are taken into account. You can have money in the bank, but still not be profitable, which is why bookkeeping is so important. Your bookkeeping should be done regularly. Ideally, this means weekly or fortnightly, and at a minimum monthly. Leaving it until tax time makes it harder, more stressful, and more expensive to fix. Some common bookkeeping mistakes include mixing personal and business money, not keeping receipts, ignoring GST, and falling behind on your record keeping. These mistakes can lead to incorrect reporting and unnecessary stress for you later on. To recap, bookkeeping is essential for every business. It helps you understand your numbers, stay compliant, and make better decisions. Starting simple and staying consistent makes bookkeeping much easier to manage. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple bookkeeping tips. And remember, for advice specific to your situation, always speak with a qualified professional.